Hi everyone, it's Miss Justine here to show you how to do this week's craft, the paper hot air balloon. In your kit, you're going to find a template, some colored paper for the balloon, 2 little pieces of yarn, some blue background paper, a brown square, and some cotton balls. You're also going to need some glue, either a glue stick or some white glue, a pair of scissors, and a pencil or a pen or a marker or something to write with so you can trace the template onto the other pieces of paper. If you decide you want to decorate your hot air balloon more, you can get markers or crayons or sequins or glitter or whatever else you want to put. But that's all you're going to need to be able to do the craft. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take your template and you're going to cut it out. So, once you've cut out your template, it should look like a hot air balloon. And you're going to trace it onto each of the colored pieces so that you'll be able to cut them out and make your own balloon, okay? So let's see what that'll look like. Okay, so once you've traced them, they look like this on all of your different colors. And you're just going to cut them out so that you have 5 different colors of this shape. So now that we have our 5 balloon shapes, we have 1 that's yellow, 2 that are pink, and 2 that are green. We're going to move to our next step, which is to fold each bright paper in half along the center line of the template. So when you look at your template, you see that there's a line going down the middle. You're going to fold each one of these shapes down that same line. So what that's going to look like is this. And it's okay if you didn't maybe cut it out perfectly. You can fix it if you want to, but you don't have to. I think I'm going to for the example. Okay, so now if you unfold it, it looks like this. If you fold it up, you've got this. We're going to do the same thing with each of our other 4 shapes. Okay. So once you have all 5 of your shapes folded like this, you're going to take one of them. It does not matter what color, although I'm going to do mine as pink, green, yellow, green, pink, so that it's like a pattern. But it doesn't matter, however you want yours to look. You start with your first folded shape and put glue on the back of it and attach it to the blue paper like this. All right, so there's glue on this side but not on this side. I'm going to attach it to my paper like this. So now I can open it and close it and it's not going to get stuck. And we can add the rest of our shapes. So the next one that I said I was going to use was green. So I'm going to put glue onto one side of the green shape, and I'm going to take it and attach it to the pink shape. Okay, so now if you look, it just looks like it's green, but then you can unfold it and it's also pink. Okay, so the next color that I said I was going to do was yellow. I'm going to put, again, some glue onto half of the yellow shape. And I'm going to glue it on to the green part on my paper. Okay, so let's take a look. Yellow, then green, then pink. Okay, close it up again. My next one is green. So I'm gonna put glue on the back of my green shape. I'm going to cover it in glue and attach it to the yellow on my paper. So again, if we take a look, we've got green, yellow, green, pink. All right, last option. Oops. Last step, we're gonna put our pink color shape onto the top. And we're going to stick it here. All right, and now if we open it all the way up, and we open everything, you can see all the different colors of our hot air balloon. So the last thing we're going to do is glue this last unglued side to the back so that it can be out like this on its own, okay? So we'll put some glue onto the last pink shape and open it up. There we go. All right, so this is what it looks like so far. It's looking pretty nice, but it's not done yet. The next step you're going to do is to take the little pieces of yarn and glue them just underneath the balloon. So I'll do it and I'll show you what it's going to look like. So they're just going to hang like this because we're going to attach them to our brown square so that it looks like a basket. So you're going to put some glue all over the back of the brown square so it'll attach nicely onto your piece of paper. And I'm covering up the little extra part of my yarn, but maybe you want yours to be extra long, or you could cut it if it's too long. Okay, so you've got your basket underneath your 3D balloon. Very exciting. The last thing you're gonna do is take all of your cotton balls and put them wherever you want, like clouds. All right, so let's see how I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make one cloud up here with a couple of cotton balls. And I'm gonna put a couple here for another cloud. And since my balloon is up in the sky, I'm even gonna put some over here so you can tell that it's way up there in the sky. All right. Let's see. Oops. I'm running out of glue. Make sure you have more glue than I do when you're making your hot air balloon. I think I'll have enough though. Let's see. All right. That looks pretty good. All right. So there you have it. The 3D paper hot air balloon. And of course, you can decorate the rest however you'd like. If you want to add some spots or some stripes or some stickers, maybe you want to make the basket look like it's woven. You could do whatever you want. And hopefully you will send us a picture of it. We would love to see it. Our email address is kids@uplnj.org. And you can see the art that you've sent in and the art that other kids have sent in at www.uplnj.org/kids and visit our art gallery. All right, so there should be a calendar of programs and events in your kit. We hope to see you at the library, either at one of those programs or just to stop by to look for some books. We'll see you soon, everyone. Have a good week. Bye.